Welcome guys, so today I am with OPPO Reno 7 and I want to show you 5 camera tips. At the first we can focus on the zoom feature. So as you can see, when you are in the photo mode you can switch between ultra wide lens, normal lens and telephoto lens, right? But when you click once on the selected preset you will get two additional, you get 5x and 10x. You can also switch between them like that, but also we can zoom to 20 times by using this slider. As you can see, zooming in and out looks very smooth. You can do the same by pinching screen with your 2 fingers. And also you can open the settings and change the volume key function to the zoom. Right now when you click volume up or down you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. So we can decide which way of using the zoom feature you will pick. Okay, so right now we can focus on taking photos. We can also obviously take photos by tapping on this shutter button. We can also go for the settings where we can find few additional options. We can go for the shutting methods and enable tap to capture. And also we can change the volume button function to the shutter that's set up as a default. So right now when you click on the volume up or down you will take photo, but also when you click on the screen once, when you click and hold your shutter you will also take the series of the photo, and it works also for the both volume buttons. Okay, so that was second tip, right? Let's go for another one, for the third. You can adjust brightness level in the more modes by moving this sun icon. To make it automatically, you just tap on the screen once. As you can see in this video mode, this option will appear at the bottom of your display when you hold the phone like me. If you want to increase, basically if you want to get more details on your photo, you can tap on displays. And as you can see right now, we can take photo with the 64 megapixel mode and also without. Let's make comparison. That's how the photo looks in the normal mode, and let's go for this additional 64 megapixel. And as you can see right here we can find definitely more details. Okay, let's go back, and I think that right now we can go for the more modes, and it will be last tip. So in this place we can find the option sticker, that's how it's called. So right now let me just go right here. Okay, so when you click in this place you will find few stickers that you can quickly attach to your screen. You can slide and select different stickers, and we can download this one. Okay, there's no network connection, so basically you have to get the network connection to download the sticker. So let me just do this right now. I'm gonna connect quickly to the Wi-Fi network and I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, I'm connected, so let's pick for example this one. Okay, there it is. Okay, that's strange, looks like it's not working. But let's turn it off and let's go for another time. Okay, so that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.